This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Let me tell you about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creatives and creators like us. And so for me, when I'm learning something new, and I believe this happens to most of us, we like to zone in, reduce all distractions. And this is also another good reason why I feel like you should join Skillshare. Because Skillshare is ad-free, and so you're never distracted when you're exploring new skills. Personally, I like to experiment a lot on this channel, and that's what I'll do today. I like to try new things all the time. It's also a space where I can learn a new technique that can help me position my brand as a daring and dynamic one. It is also the reason why I was able to learn quickly and turn an initial hobby into a full-time business. I quickly transitioned from shooting friends to shooting for established brands, and I'm honestly really grateful for that growth, but at the time, there wasn't a lot of resource to learn from. I had to learn on my own through personal experiences, but today I can confidently say that Skillshare is a great platform for creators. So my friends, if you're interested in making a career pivot, if you're looking for a great resource that can help you level up your skills, or if you simply want to move from being an amateur to a pro photographer, then there's a course that I would actually recommend to you. It gives you almost like a blueprint to move from amateur to pro photographer. And the course is From Amateur to Pro Photographer, Your First Steps into Fashion Photography. And this course is by beauty and fashion photographer Nat Nisakov. She lets you understand the importance of a team, how to collaborate with other creatives, how to build your creative team, and more importantly, how to reach out to brands. But also, this course is less than 30 minutes, but it's packed with a lot of information because it goes straight to the point and cuts out a lot of the clutter. So my friends, if you want to level up your photography career, I recommend you start by trying out this particular course. So now here's the best part. If you want to join Skillshare and become a member, I actually have a deal for the first 1,000 of you, my friends. Simply use the link in my description box or use my code Phloshop. It's going to give you 1 month free access on Skillshare. And what you can do with that is do your own research, figure out if you want to take different courses on photography, creative writing, marketing, productivity, whatever you want to do with that 1 month free access on Skillshare, you can do that. But then also, if you want to stick on afterwards, it doesn't really dig a hole in your pocket. So try Skillshare out and let me know how you feel about it in the comments. And thank you, Skillshare, for making this possible. This is going to be my craziest one light setup yet in the studio. And that is because for me, this is the first time that I'm using a scrim, and it's a little bit of like a DIY. I unboxed this this scrim frame on my Instagram. I don't know, if you follow me on Instagram, I have it in my highlights, you can check it out. And this is the first time that I'm using it. I've been waiting to order the diffuser that comes with it, but I mean, it's taking quite a bit of a time. So I just decided to get this like light fabric and use it as my material, my scrim material for today's video. When I get the proper fabric that is meant for this, I'll do an update. Probably would use it outdoors and then you guys will see the video, but this is like my craziest one light setup ever, and this is supposed to give you like the softest light, right? You can even go softer with this depending on the softbox that you're using, but let me just tell you like the general idea for this. So what we're doing is we're shooting in the studio, obviously, but I wanted the light to be very, very soft, so you can't really tell what the direction of light is, more like an overcast day. I did a similar video with Aisha, but we used my 7-foot parabolic umbrella. But what we're doing today is different. So we have this scrim that I mentioned earlier. It's a 6.5 foot by 6.5. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get it. And then I'm using my 36-inch octa. That's my light source. So what it's doing is it's diffusing the light coming from my Flashpoint 400 Pro. And by the time it comes out of this softbox, this 36-inch softbox is going to be diffused. But before this light hits our subject, it's going to go through this scrim and get even bigger and softer. Remember, I said that the bigger the light source is in relation to your subject, the softer the light. This is 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet. So, Aisha, are you ready? We can start taking some stills and see how all of this comes together. Now, because I know the size of the scrim and it's really going to create a very soft light, I still want to add a bit of depth. So what I'm adding to the side or opposite side of the light source is the black side of my reflector. So what this is supposed to do is, because I have like white walls in the studio, it will stop any light that is supposed to be bouncing back and opening up the shadows, or even some of the light that's supposed to be wrapping around will be absorbed by the black side of the reflector. And so it's going to create some shade or depth on here. Maybe later on I'll take it off and then we'll take some shots as well. But this is genuinely the entire setup. Shooting with my Canon R5, triggering the light with the Godox X1T trigger, and shooting with the 85 as well. So let's grab a few stills, Aisha, and see what we can do. So that's it. Beautiful. So one advantage with this is you can't really get like hot spots on your subject, and she can almost always look in any direction and still get very beautiful light. But I will still want you to just turn your body a little bit more towards where the light is, just so we can get majority of the good light on you. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Ooh, stunning. Yeah, I like that. Beautiful. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Nice one. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Look at the flowers. Nice. In case you're wondering, I'm shooting at 1/200 on my shutter speed f1.4 ISO 100, and the flash power is at 1/32. Yeah, that's it, that's it, that's it. Keep it. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's it. One last shot. Awesome. What if we do somewhere you carry, yeah. And then we'll see if we can even do some standing shots as well. Ooh. What if you do that to your right hand? Or you want to drop both of them? Ooh, that's the shot right there. Okay, hold it. I need to step back for this one. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Amazing. Bring your eyes back to the camera. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Yeah, keep that, keep that, keep that. Beautiful. Can you relax? I want you to relax this, no, your left leg. It was looking a little bit tense. Maybe bring it back. Just bring your eyes back to the camera. Yeah, that's it. I love. Can you raise your chin up? Because I know you're holding the, like, yeah. Nice. Turn your body to me. Aha, right there, right there, right there, right there. Keep it, keep it. Don't change anything. Yeah, just your eyes. Actually, let me just flip the reflector and, oh, that's amazing. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Keep it. Nice one. One last shot. Can you do like a power pose? Put, yeah. Yeah, that's it, that's it, that's it. Keep it. Beautiful. Awesome. I don't know if we should let you stand for this because I think I have my shots, so. Yeah, keep that. Raise your chin still. Yeah, that's it, that's it, that's it. Bring your eyes to the camera. Beautiful. One last shot. Keep the pose, don't change anything. I just want to get rid of these things from the back. Don't worry. 2, 1. Just bring your eyes back to the, yeah, right there, right there, right there. One last shot. Boom. You got it. remember to forget.
We pass it.
Oh, okay. All right, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you found value out of the video. I hope you found it interesting as well. Do you use scrims in your studio, in your small studio spaces? Because my studio space is small. Let me know in the comments how you feel about the images. Do you want to experiment with scrims? You can check the link down below. It's going to be made available for you guys. Check it out. And when I get the actual fabric, we might use it outdoors because I typically will be using this to diffuse my natural light when I'm shooting outdoors. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.